Hey guys, Emily here again from Sephora Century City. So excited to show you guys how to do this fun, iridescent, unicorn type lip. So stay tuned if you want to see how to do this. Alright guys, so we are starting with the Dior Addict Lip Sugar Scrub. This is a layered lip, so I really want to make sure that all of the dead skin is off the surface layer of my lip. And I just kind of apply it straight to the lip, and then with my fingers and my own pressure from my lips, I'll really rub it in so that those little beads take off the excess skin that's on the surface layer of my lip. So I really like this exfoliator because it has little granules that really help to scrub and exfoliate the surface layer of the lip. So it just really keeps the lip on a lot longer, and it prevents any dryness from happening on top of the lip. So up next, I'm doing the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Coven. I like to start from the corners of my lips and drag directly to the middle. And you can see my hands pulled back just a little bit on that pencil because I don't want to put too much pressure. These are super long lasting, so I love using these colors underneath any lipstick because it really helps to prolong the wear of whatever lip color you have. I'm going to mimic that on the top lip just by starting from that outer corner, again blending up and in to hug that Cupid's bow. My bottom lip is slightly larger and more rounded than my top lip, so when I carry it up towards the Cupid's bow, you can see me slightly take that lip liner just above the lip line. I'm not really overlining, I'm just trying to balance the lip shape. Then looking straight in the mirror and just looking at everything, you can kind of shape it where it needs a little bit. Add a little here, take a little away. But what I really like to do with this lip pencil is fill in the outer edges of the lip liner. I find this definitely prolongs the wear of my lipstick, and I just really like that kind of faded effect that it gives too. I'm just tightening the lip a little bit to make sure that it gets in all the little nooks and crannies of the lip. With my number 22 Sephora brush, I really just like to get a precise blend. It really just helps to soften the edges so there's no harsh lines. And I find it actually prevents feathering a little bit as well if you have that issue. So now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the color One of the Boys. I'm just layering that on. It is seriously so creamy. I could have just kept layering this and layering it and layering it. The texture of these lipsticks is sensational. And you can see that color too. It just fades beautifully into Coven. It's like those two colors were meant for each other. So now going in with the Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in the color Stakeout, I just want to contrast my outer edges a bit more. I really actually love this color by itself, but I just wanted to create a bit more dimension to plump the lip. This step is optional, but I feel like it really adds some beautiful dimension to the look. For Stakeout, I am just applying it to the outer corners in the same application that we used Coven, pulling from the corner to the middle. Again, taking my Sephora number 22, I am smoothing that downwards to create a very softly blended contoured lip. Now, I'm not taking this too far into the top of that lip because I don't want to take away the color from the Fenty lipstick. So I'm really just focusing this on blending truly those outer edges. After placing that first application, if you do see any spots where you want to intensify your color, just go in with that second layer. Alright, so to top this off, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Everlasting Glimmer Veil Liquid Lipstick in the color Starflyer. Now, I go in with a first layer just to really kind of get that base down so that if I do want to intensify in a minute, it really just blends seamlessly so you don't have an edge where the glitter stops and where the lipstick starts. And with this product, I just like tapping it in with my finger, going in with another layer just to intensify that a bit more. This is so beautiful to create that extra dimension. It is a true glitter liquid pigment. It just adds such a beautiful high shine to the look. I did feel like I wanted to add a little extra something. I ended up going in with my Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter to really add more dimension to the face. So I'm using my Sephora Collection number 98 brush to really just apply that on the highest part of my cheekbone, and I drag it right over the apple of the cheek. And just so that glitter isn't all on the lip, I wanted a little bit of shine to create a much more balanced overall look. I'm just going to pop a bit into the middle of my nose and a little bit on the Cupid's bow just to create that overall dewy effect. So that is it for this fun pop of purple glitter lip. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can see more fun tips and tricks like this. We hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys!